What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing pretty much just uploading this whole session for FOMC. Going to be doing a live just outlook on how I view the market and just my thought process throughout the day as I'm reading price and taking setups. So usually I like to start on the daily, just see where we're at. And I personally, what I first recognized is that ES did fill this weekly volume imbalance that I did want to see get hit from earlier in the week. NQ did not. Didn't even tap the inversion. So we have an SMT at these highs, which will likely cause price to displace to the downside. Potential targets I see is probably previous day low. Depending on how much volatility we can get, that's definitely where I would like to see for the first, and probably consequent encroachment of that second daily wick. We still have yet to close below this 4 hour though, so I think until then we still have the opportunity to be bullish. However, the higher time frame does look more weak. For me to really be bearish, I do want to see us run this 4 hour. Then I would like to see previous day low, then this level of sell side down here, as well as that. We did look like we retraced the OTE of this range, so we might not even have to come up any higher. Yeah, we did retrace the OTE. Have this little SMT here as well at these two highs. You can see ES made a higher high, NQ made a lower high with them too, so that's another thing to think about. Honestly, I'm going to disregard this one and highlight this one. This makes more sense right now. I'm keeping this one because they already overlap, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, starting the higher time frames. Then I look to zoom in. We do have a CISD only 2 hour, so I am pretty bearish. I think I want to see us we try to get that push through. However, ES or NQ is still holding. We have this 2 hour that comes all the way down to here. Do we have an SMT? To my knowledge, how FOMC days work is we get a strong manipulation move in the opposite direction around 2 o'clock, and then from there you start to see that reversal, which is what I'm probably going to be waiting for. Want to see if we come up, sweep these highs again prior to coming back to it. We do have a small form of buy side being built up. We are also displacing out of this 15-minute PD array or 1 hour PD array. Looks like we're respecting that, so this honestly might spark the manipulation. We come up, take these highs, and then from there look to continue to have a sell-off. Just because I think the higher drawn liquidity is lower because of the higher time frame SMTs that we have and things like that. I don't even need this right here. For now, I just want to see previous day low. Slide a little bit. We are coming out of this 15-minute, so we are bullish. If we are going to come up and swipe these, we should run this 1 minute right here. That's what it looks like we're doing. Yeah, respecting. We should honestly continue to at least. Ideally, it would be that high right there just because that is OTE of the range. If we came up, took these highs out, and then continued back to the downside, we are going to see we swept these equal lows. We're getting a bullish response right now. I want to see what we do by 2 p.m. We did fail to close below, so this honestly wouldn't be a bad long entry if we can get a. What would that be like? The target like up here. It's not even the best risk to reward, honestly. I would take that with micros, probably like 5 micros, because days like this, when I know that it's very high volatility, I do like to be more so on the defensive side. I don't want to be too offensive and mess around and lose more than needed. So yeah, now we just wait. We haven't really yet displaced through any swing highs though on either. So right now, I wouldn't mind if we were to close like here, and then once this macro opens up now, we start to get the displacement to the upside. Potentially get the CIS right. I'm trading right now. Nah, it's because economic news comes out at 2 and 2:30. We have federal funds rate and FOMC, so I didn't trade this morning. I'm waiting until now.
I don't understand anything you said, but okay.
What's up?
Alright, go ahead, get your trade up. We hired you.
Alright.
I love you.
I love you too. Alright. We swept this internal sell side here. Do we have an S&T? Let's see. How low did ES reach? ES did reach slightly lower. It's like we did put in this kind of S&T, not nothing too major, but we do have one at the lows. That is something to keep in mind. I just want this S&T to really rebalance us. I don't really want it to do much else but that. So we got this close above this 5 minute. The reason that I wouldn't just take this inversion is because we left 2 forms of sell side beneath this. And also we don't have the full CISD like I want yet. Which you really don't need it with certain inversions, but at the same time it would make it better. Especially if we swept this below us. Right now we are delivering bullish, it looks like. But yeah, now we just wait. Wait to see what price wants to do, which direction we want to go in, and see if we do want to push higher. I really would like to see a manipulation higher, potentially into just to come and grab like at least just these three stacked highs here. Will give me more peace of mind. We have an hourly. We do have an hourly all the way up here. We definitely could wick that. Oh wait, yes, I already tapped it. Damn. Well, no, yes, I tapped this one. Yeah, it did. I'm lying. Yes, did tap it. Okay, so we might not come up to that hourly. Hourly on the 4 hour. See here, respecting this order block. This 30-minute here as well. I'm gonna see if news is gonna drive us up to that. It's probably the highest, most probable area in my opinion for right now. See us potentially go up, sweep out all these highs, stop out everybody that's already short, and then have that continuation to the downside. Because you see how hesitant we were to close below this hourly. We have nobody closes above, so I would like to really just see us. Yeah, the daily candle still does look pretty bearish. But the 4 hours still bullish. So I really just want to wait. Let's see how 2 o'clock opens. Yes is closing a lot weaker than NQ, so this will also be interesting. I have any SMTs here for not important ones, so yeah, just gonna wait, see what we do. Still holding this 3-minute here. I would take a short if we got a body close below this leg right here. But let's see. Stop right here. Yeah, I'll probably end up trading micros today. It depends on how we open up and how my entry looks. I don't think I want to have that much risk on the table. So we'll jump in there.
Yo.
Yo.
Order filled.
Are you taking a trade off the open? Different board.
Order filled. Holy shit, that was the quickest $300 I've ever made.
Bro, you're gambling, cuz. Nigga took a trade right at 2:00. You different. I might short NQ here. I'm waiting on a reaction. Should hold this volume imbalance here. Don't take any lows. I'm gonna try this short right here. I would like to see this just because we have the volume imbalance right here that we're respecting. Um, yeah, so we'll see. This is the first internal form of sell side. That's a good reaction. I think I'm gonna move my stop as well now to this high right here. We really have no reason to come back above. Need to watch for the SMTs as well. If we respect CE here, then that won't be good. I don't want to see that. It's definitely probable though. I think I'll move my stop to up here too. I don't really think we should come back up this high. That's a good reaction. If I was trying to be more aggressive, I definitely would pyramid, but I think just because of what today is, I don't really want to overly risk. But based off of that reaction, I definitely wouldn't dislike the pyramid. But we need more displacement through this 10-second low. Probably gonna get stopped. We'll see. I do like how we're respecting this. I might give it a little bit more room just because of that, just to this high. Bodies are respecting. What's my risk at now? Okay, $400. Fine with that. Really need to see us run this though. We are respecting CE right now. Yo, this 5-minute volume imbalance though. That's making me want to give it more room. I didn't realize that. Okay, I'll give it more room just because of that. That's honestly beautiful, what we just did. We should get a flush now. The thing that sucks is that I'm on my top step with this, and they have that limit for what you can make. So I'm gonna probably have to get all out here if we do go. I think you can't make more than a certain amount in a day. I forget what it is. I'm on 150Ks though, so it's something you can't make in a day. And this trade definitely would. We'll see though, if it even wants to work. I would honestly prefer some quicker movement here. I don't like how we're kind of slowing up. But nonetheless, we are moving in our direction. So, but usually these moves are a lot faster. What's the 1 minute look like? Yeah, we'll see. Take 2 off here. Risk-free trade now as well. Is there an SMT? There is. But I do think the higher time frame draw is lower, so we should still continue. Part of me does want a partial. I'm gonna take my 2 right here, just because of this SMT. I don't like it. Because we have an SMT at this higher time frame low as well, and we are in 2.5 SD right now for this. So I'm gonna just take that off. If we continue, we continue, but I don't want to get a reversal. Okay, we did end up wicking it, but it's fine. We have an SMT at that previous day low, I believe, right? Oh, I'm tweaking. Wait. No, I'm not tweaking. Previous day low is all the way down here. I'm bugging. Oh, that's not even. I misread that. It's fine though. If that's the case, then definitely still want to see us get a continuation, but we'll see though. If that's the case, I might really leave this joint. We'll see. This fair value gap is going to tell us everything. We really should hold it. We might stop too. I don't think we have a reason to come back up here. Should hold it and then just continue down. Just gonna let it ride. This fair value gap is going to determine whether we get a reversal or if we continue. something to always note is those fair value gaps that break the lows. Those are usually the most important, just because if they do hold, if you look back and back test, you'll see when they hold, 9 times out of 10 we're going to continue, and if they get broken through, 10 times out of 10 will reverse. So that's how it's looking right now. It looks like we're probably going to get that reversal with the SMT. Yeah, we just close above. So honestly, isn't a bad long though either. Now that we just